I'm Jacob Houck with Hayes & Sons.
Kyle Connect with Bullseye Event Center.
Welcome to the Bullseye Event Center. So this is the where the VIP tailgate for the Colts is every Sunday. And we'll show a little bit more of the space here, but we did some fun stuff just to kind of give it that kind of high-end look. Yeah, so over there was all center block walls that we drywall to give it that finished look. In fact, Kyle, I believe there was an overhead door right there.
Yeah, it was a loading dock.
Yeah, loading dock, yeah. This was actually two separate spaces. So the first thing we had to do is come in here and open up these walls, add in the steel reinforcement just to make kind of a big, open space concept, which is good for the different kind of events that we host here at the Bullseye Event Center.
We figured we'd just blow out these walls, put the steel structures up and open it up so it's one big free-flowing space, about 9,500 square feet.
The restrooms before were residential grade, so we had to upgrade them to a commercial grade plumbing. And so we also went in, worked with Kyle on some really high-end finishes. We got a nice quartz here. We had to think outside the box to even add some quartz into the actual restroom as well. Now we'll head to the main entrance. So this is where, the guests come in for whatever event they're here for. So we had to come in and build out this entrance area and add in the glass front here, just to kind of give it again that, kind of that hip look. Now we're outside the Bullseye Event Center. This was yet another unique challenge for us. Again, being an old storage facility, they weren't real worried about the curb appeal. So one of the things that we really had to worry about is, not only the first impression, but also complying with city code. And so as you see, we added in the nice black metal wrap here. We actually added in this ramp as well with the protective bar there just to make sure that you had a little bit of separation from the street. Now this space, the outside deck, another one of Kyle's ideas I think turned out great, was very interesting in the sense that it used to be a ramp.
And I said, if we can take this and make a nice deck out here, it'd be pretty special with the view of downtown Indianapolis, the view of the Lucas Oil Stadium.
Yeah, it's interesting. The building has 9,500 square feet, but yet if you come to an event here, this is usually everybody's hanging out. So even out here, Kyle's always got attention to detail just to kind of keep everything really looking high end, even as you're coming through from one building to the next.
Come on in.
Yeah, so in here in the pavilion, this is a permanent tent as a structure. However, we really want to make sure it had that really high end kind of hip feel to it.
We have a tent, right? So if you can imagine this, September, October evening, 70 degrees, cool breeze outside. We literally open this thing up and it's one open air pavilion. It gives us a lot of range to be able to do things for corporate events, weddings, or just local parties.
Yeah. Nice comfortable couch.
Yeah.
Open air behind you, breeze coming through.
Yeah, the only thing we're missing is a cocktail waitress and one of the servers to bring us some fillets.
Yeah, exactly.
So with that being said, Jacob, I think we should kick these guys out of here.
Yeah, we got some important things to talk about here.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, get on out of here, boys. We'll see y'all later.